Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. First, you can take a cardboard and cut a circle. After this, we're going to cut multiple colorful shapes using craft paper and paste it around the circle. Let's make the minute and second hand and paste it inside the hole using the straw. Color it right numbers and it's ready. Take a paper and draw the head of the bunny. Now take 3 straws, combine them together and make 3 holes inside this paper cup and put it inside the holes. After this, we're going to paste the head and hands of the bunny and look, it's ready. Here we're going to take this pink color of straw and roll this blue paper around it. Now we're going to take another straw and fold it and put both of them together. Now make multiple cut on the top of the straw and fold it like this. After this, we're going to paste it using tape around it. Look how we are doing here in this video. Cover it as well and it's ready. Here we need these materials, so take this straw, make multiple cut. This is for the figure of the man. Put a needle inside it and we are doing it using this thread and some sticks. Now combine all of them together using this thread. We are going to make the legs and hand of the man like this. Make these cuts inside the cardboard and look, it's ready. We're going to draw the bunny on this paper cup, draw the eyes and look, it's ready. Paste the ears of the bunny. Now you can take a walnut or a circular object and roll this using the rubber band, paste it using tape, make multiple cut on the sides of the paper cup and tuck it at the center and look, it's ready. First, we're going to fold this craft paper. You can draw any cartoon character. Here we're going to draw a chick, make a circular mouth. Now paste it like this. Now we are going to cut all of them. Put a balloon at the center of it and cover it from the sides and it's ready. We need these materials for making this fun craft. We are going to paste all these colorful strips like this and put the stick at the center. Look how we are doing here. Paste it on the top and bottom and your fun craft is ready. Let's make this robot hand at home. We need these materials. First, trace lines around this yellow craft paper using double-sided tape. We are going to cut small pieces of these purple straw. You can take help of the thread and paste all of them like this. Now we are going to put all the thread inside one and it's ready. First, take this paper and make 3 folds. Open it and fold it from the corners. As you can see the cross marks, we are going to fold it like this from both sides. After folding it, finally we are going to press it like this and we are going to hold it from the top portion as well and press it from the corners. Fold it and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.